Hello, welcome to Go for Clients tutorial videos. This is Esteban Acosta, and today I will be showing you how to create a text email. Let's get started. First, we're going to set up the campaign name. Then we choose an email that we want to send it from. I will choose this one. Here you choose the name that you want it to appear. In this case, I will use my name. This is the reply email, so the emails that you are going to send out, people can reply and will be replied to this email. Then you can schedule when you want to send a campaign, or you can send it now. If you want to schedule it, you would choose your date, but I'm going to send it now. Here's the speed of your campaign. You can choose default, which is every minute or every 10 minutes. I will choose default for this one. Next. Here you can upload an Excel file. For example, here we have a template that will show you how it should look if you want to upload an Excel file to send email to multiple contacts. So here you have column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Column A being name, B last name, C the email, D the custom message, and so on if you want to have other tags that you can add on. So I'm not going to add a Excel file for this one. I just want to show you guys how it's done. So let's add a single email. In this case, I will use an alternate email of mine. Add it. As you can see, it's right there. You can allow duplicate emails when present a contact list. So for example, in the Excel file, if you have a person that repeats itself for some reason, you can allow it to send it twice if it has different emails or different names for that matter, etc. We'll press next for this one. This is the subject line that will appear on the other person's inbox. So as you can see, it'll be sent from my name, and this is the subject line. The pre-header can be important info. So it'll be right there. You can also attach a file to the email. For example, if you have a balance sheet that you want to send out, a welcome letter, this is going to be a file that they're going to open as an attachment through the email. We'll press next. Here is where you have to choose your template. Here we have all the templates that we can use for the email. We're going to go ahead and choose a random one. Let's use only text. A plain email. We'll use this. And here's where you can build your own email. So, as you can see, we can edit it as, hi there, person of interest. Here, as you can see, we can have a description of you can make your email as, describe what you need to offer to the customer, why should they read it, etc. Here we can change it to. Here we can edit it. Go ahead, and this is a text email. And so on. You can go ahead and offer your offers, remind them. This could be a follow-up email, etc. This is up to you. This is what you want to write. This is where the creative part comes in. We offer all the tools for you to create the email. This is just a plain text email. This is the one we're doing for this campaign. But we're going to go ahead and save it. And we're going to name it test email. We don't have a folder. And this is for safekeeping. We're going to go ahead and save it. And it's as easy as that. So here's the campaign summary. Campaign name. Who's sending it? Where is it getting replied to? When do you want to send it? How often do you want to send it? The default means every minute. There's only one email in this campaign, which is this one. And pre-header, everything looks good. Type of HTML, test email, and this is going to be 0. And here's the email preview. This is what they would see in their browser. You can also see how it would look in their phone, which is very convenient. So if it doesn't look good, you can always go back and edit it. So we're going to go ahead and send it. And like the campaign has been sent. So now we can go ahead and go on Campaign Analytics and check it out. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but let's go ahead and try it again. So there it is. So one campaign was sent today. The success rate was 100%, so it means the email was delivered. And here, these things are for you to see how the person interacted. So in this email, we don't have anything like that, but I will be showing you that in the next videos. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Go for Clients and ask them any kind of questions that you might have regarding this. Thank you so much.